Hello, first graders. This is Amelia. I'm here to just give you a quick lesson on math. So we're going to be continuing with our greater than or less than, just like we were doing in our number talk last week. I'm going to show you just a couple of problems. So I'm going to share my whiteboard. Let me show. Okay. So our first equation is 7 is greater than 7 plus 1. So our first set is, you're going to be telling me if this is a true number sentence or is it false. And if it was false, then how would you change the symbol? So right now we've got 7 is greater than 7 plus 1. Well, let's think about this symbol. The greater than symbol is kind of like the same thing in the same position that you would have an equal sign. So if I did like 7 equals 7 plus 1, you would have 7 on this side of the equal sign, and you would have 7 plus 1. So just like this, we need to solve for 7 plus 1. Well, I know 7 plus 1 is 8. So this would technically be 7 is greater than 8. Let me erase that. That kind of looks like a 7. So 7 is greater than 8. Is that true? Is 7 a larger number than 8? No, that's false. So if I had 7 is greater than 7 plus 1, I would know that I would need to change this greater than symbol to a less than symbol. So that first equation is false. So our next equation would be 14 minus 4 is less than 12. So remember, whatever is on either side of this symbol, we have to solve for. So we know that 12 is 12. But we have to solve for 14 minus 4. So let's think. If I have 1 10 and 4 ones, and I need to take away 4, I'd be left with just 10. So this would be 10 is less than 12. Is that true? Is 10 less than 12? Yeah, it's true. So this equation would be true. Now, the other part of our worksheet for this week, I'm going to ask you to fill in the blank. So you're going to fill in numbers that would go with the number sentence. So a practice one, I have 11 minus blank is less than 6. So I know whatever is on this side of the less than symbol would have to be less than 6. So let's just start plugging in numbers. What if I put 4 here? Would 11 minus 4 be less than 6? Well, let's think. 11, so 10 and 1, you take away 4. 10, 9, 8, 7. So we would have 7 is less than 6. Is that true? Oh, that's my 7. Is 7 less than 6? No. So we know that 4 could not go in that blank. Well, let's think. 4 might be too small of a number because we need to get down to a number below 6. So why don't I put the number 6 in here? Let's think. 11 minus 6. Let's take away 6 from 11. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So I have 5. So 11 minus 6 is 5. So is 5 less than 6? Yeah, it is. So 6 would be a number that you could put in here. So there might be several numbers that you can put in, but 6 would be one. Let's try one more. If I had, so this might be a tricky one, blank plus blank is less than 8. So I need to think of two numbers that will add up. That solution will be less than 8. Wow. What about 3 and 1? If I had 3 plus 1, that would be 4. And is 4 less than 8? Yeah, it is. What if I put 3 and 5? Well, 3 plus 5 is 8. Would 8 be less than 8? No, it would be equal to. So we know that 3 and 5 could not be put into these blanks. So again, for this one, you might have multiple solutions to put in there, but just think of coming up with some numbers that make the number sentence true. As well, there are two challenge problems, and there might be a bit difficult, but these ones you have to put in two numbers that will solve for the larger number. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to email Laura or I about it, and enjoy your math this week. Bye.